Thanks to those folks. My name is Bert. Good evening to you. And a little bit of a slow evening because a lot of people taking the day off. So that means that traffic, mercifully, is very slow, very low, and next to nil. Really? Some clouds, cold tonight, about 10 degrees, with wind chills down to minus 35. No kidding. Speaking of which, in case you keep track of this sort of stuff, Groundhog Day, tumbleweed. Brookfield Zoo, no shadow. Early spring is what she predicts, and Woodstock Willie wouldn't come out to play today, which I don't blame him. There's something funny about that. Willie wouldn't come out to play. Sunny at 20 for tomorrow, right now 22 at the Loop.
97.9 The Loop and Calumet Harley-Davidson welcome Rush to the United Center April 12th. You can win free tickets if you rush to Facebook. We're giving away Rush tickets every weekday in February. First, like 97.9 The Loop on Facebook and change your profile picture to the Loop logo. We'll randomly give a pair of Rush tickets to a Facebook friend every weekday. Remember, you need the Loop logo as your profile picture. Get the logo and all the info at WLUP.com or the Loop's official Facebook page. Rush tickets are on sale now, but rush to Facebook for your chance to win from Calumet Harley-Davidson. That's a beautiful sound. And 97.9 The Loop, Chicago's classic rock station.
Okay, welcome to the blizzard of 2011. Look at this. Lots of snow all over the place. This is Bell Road, and there's a cop. Did he like me doing that? Okay, Bell Road and 143rd, and it's about 5:15 at night, and the sun is setting in the west, where I belong, in California. But look at this. This is like 10 feet of snow. 10 inches, 10 feet, I don't know, what did they say? I'm making a turn on Bell Road. Bell Road, woo! Slippery. I'm going home. Maybe there's a place I get my mom a hot tamale she wants. Are they open? Nothing's open. Nothing is open. Goofy's, Goodies isn't open. Wendy's is open, though. Dairy Queen's not open. But Wendy's is. Or are they? Okay. Over and out until we get to Horseshoe Lane, and then we'll see more blizzard of 2011.